Hi everybody, it's Saj here. How are you all? I hope you're all well. So we're here today because we are going to make rainbow birds. And I've got two examples for you that I'm going to show you. But like before, these are just the ones that I have done. And I'm not expecting you to copy what I have got here. They're just to show you what they could look like. So here's the first one. Look, see all the bright colours? So you can use lots of different things to make them, and I'll talk about that a bit later on. And here's the other one. Okay, can you see all that? All the colours? Now thinking about the wings and the feathers, I've got lots of bright coloured materials at home, and just have a dig around at home. What have you got that's really brightly coloured? Have you got crisp packets, maybe sweet wrappers, or any food packaging wrappers or plastic bags? So I'm going to show you examples that I've got at home. You can see lots of sweet wrappers here and crisp wrappers. Lots of examples over here. As long as it's brightly coloured, that's the main thing. I mean, maybe you could have plastic bags, bright coloured plastic bags. If you don't have recycled materials like that and you want to use tissue paper or coloured paper, that's absolutely fine too. So I've got some examples here that you could use, brightly coloured tissue paper, or even maybe you've got napkins at home that maybe you're allowed to use as well. So I've got a couple of examples here that I might want to use. And also you might want to colour in the body of the bird, and we can use pencils, colouring pencils, or maybe felt tip pens, some examples here. And maybe crayons if you've got that at home as well, that's totally fine. I'm thinking about how we're going to join and stick the materials onto the bird. I've got sellotape. I think sellotape's quite a good one to use, but you don't have to use that. And some glue. And you will need a pencil to draw out the shape of your bird on your cardboard or your paper plate. And also some scissors to cut out your shape too. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to cut out the shape of the bird. And there are two ways that we can do this. The first will be using paper plates. So I have examples here. They're just old party plates I've got lying around at home. You'll need a pencil. The first thing you want to do is cut out shape of the wings. And so if you just watch what I do here, I'm just going to do a line like that. So that will be one wing. As I say, don't worry about it being perfect. Okay, so when I cut them out, they'll end up being the wings. And then we'll cut out the shape of the body in the middle. That will be the head of the bird. Round body. And we'll just do a tip at the bottom, which will end up being the tail. So if I just show you. So these two will be the wings, and that's the main part of the body, and a little bit at the end for the tail. So let's start to cut them out. You may want a grown-up to help you. Okay, so that'll be the wings. Don't worry if you can see the pencil line, because you'll be colouring over this anyway. And then, just to show you, before I sellotape it together, there you go, that's how it will look. Okay, so now we have our bird template that I've used paper plates for, and we're just going to stick it all together now. We'll just turn it over. Just do one side of the wing first. just going to put a little bit more tape on there to make sure it's all secure. Okay, I think that should do it. So let's have a look. There we go. This one's all ready to be decorated. So we are now going to make another template of the bird, but this time we're going to use a pizza box. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to cut out a square. Okay, so just going to cut that out first of all, like that. So now we're going to draw our second template of the bird. Okay, so I'm going to do the 2 wings first of all. Just colour in a bit just to make it easy for you when you cut them out. And then just doing a curve like that. Yeah. And let's do another one over here. Don't worry if they're not exactly the same. I don't think it matters. Just cut that in a little bit more. And do another curve. Okay, so they're the 2 wing shapes. And now I'm going to do the body in the middle. It doesn't matter how you do it. I'm going to do mine quite simple, like that. So we've got the main body of the bird and the 2 wings, and I'm going to cut them out now. And once again, you might want a grown-up to help you with this part. Okay, we're nearly there. Okay, so let's put the wings and the body together to give you an idea before I sellotape them. There we go. So I'm going to flip them over and then tape them at the back. Start with one wing. Let's have a look. There we are. Okay, so now we're going to decorate and colour in the body. I'm going to use, I think some felt tips. I'm going to start off with the eyes. You can have fun with this. It doesn't have to look like a, exact real bird. You can have lots of shapes and patterns. I think I'm going to use swirly patterns for my bird. You could have dots, polka dots, zigzag lines, whatever you like. I'll do some lashes. Let's go for some swirly shapes. It's your imaginary bird, so you can choose whatever shapes, patterns that you like. So now I'm going to choose another colour for the rest of the body. So I'm just on the last bit here of the body before we work on the wings. Okay, so we are now going to focus on the wings. I'm going to be using lots of recycling materials, and I've got lots of bright coloured selections over here. As said before, you can use tissue paper, coloured paper, any other paper that you like. So I'm going to choose, I think, these two colours. So I've got a plastic bag and a crisp packet. Don't forget, you might need a grown-up to help you with this bit. You've got to be careful with the scissors. So I'm going to just do strips. Don't worry about them not being the same size or shape. I think that makes it more interesting, actually. So we've got our yellow feathers, and I'm now going to cut up the orange plastic bag. Right, so I'm going to mix them all together now. So these are all my feathers. There we are. Ready for the next stage, where we're going to collage stick them onto our wings. We've got our bird, we've got our feathers, and now we're going to start sticking them on. You can either use glue or sellotape for this bit. I'm going to use sellotape because I think it'd be easier with plastic packaging. So just place it randomly anywhere, doesn't really matter. You're just building up all your feathers. If you want to alternate the colours, you can do, or I'm just going to pick up whichever bit of the feather I see first. Okay, so I've done a row here, and I'm going to do another row just above. So look at this wing. Can you see how it looks like feathers? There you go. I'm very pleased with that. So I'm now going to work on the other wing. So here we have my rainbow bird. So I've just stuck a few more bits at the bottom for a tail, and we now have my finished rainbow bird. Hi everybody, I have my two little helpers here. I've got Zane and Cal. You gonna say hello?
Hello! Hi!
So boys, you are going to make your very own rainbow bird. Okay, how's that sound?
Fabulous.
What about you, Cal?
Good!
What we're going to do first of all, we have to do, Cal, if you look at the bird, we've got to do the body. I want you to do a face and then colour in the body however you like first of all, okay? So do you want to use, Cal, do you want to use felt tips or?
Felt tips.
Okay.
Pink.
Okay, what the colour?
Black for the eyes.
And black for the eyes. And you've got yours already, haven't you?
White for the eyes.
Yeah, so do you want to start off with eyes first of all?
I think so. It's gonna be all black. It's gonna be a scarecrow.
It's going to be a scarecrow bird.
Yeah. I think yellow will be the best shady colour. Just because the colour of the sun. Oh.
Right, so the boys have now done the body and I'm going to show you them. Okay, that's Zane's. Look at that, multicolours and the hearts. And then Cal has done a scarecrow bird, so that's his body. I think you're both ready, aren't you, to do the wings now? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I do the glue.
You want to do the glue and you're going to use sellotape, aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Great, so that's our next stage. We're going to now do the wings.
I will do mine. Always, I'll do this first.
Put it down first. There? There. Okay, boys, do we think we're finished?
Yeah.
So should we have a look? So do you want to both lift yours up? Turn around and show it to everybody else. Let's have a look. Wow. Look at these. Flying birds. Rainbow birds. Do you like them? You pleased with them? Yeah?
My favourite bit is the collage bit.
Did you enjoy making your rainbow birds?
Yeah.
Yes. And I can't wait to see all yours. So have a great day and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.